4 minus 2 gives us 2. And again, 4 minus 2 gives us 2. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to solve parentheses, right? So the parentheses are the first thing to solve in equation. And then after we solve all the parentheses, we are allowed to move exponent. And after we solve all the exponents, we are allowed to move to multiplication or division. And then finally, we solve addition and subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, it is wrong. So here we have, in this equation, we have a multiplication and subtraction. So what is the first thing to solve? Well, the multiplication should be solved first, right? So 2 times 4 is the first thing to solve. And 2 times 4 gives us 8. And the problem becomes 4 minus 8 minus 2. And here 4 minus 8 gives us negative 4. And negative 4 minus 2 is equal to negative 6. So the final answer to this question is equal to negative 6.